Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this eggplant. This is Italian recipe. Okay, I'm going to be showing you two ways to make this eggplant. It's pretty good for summer, guys. This is very simple recipe and you will never go wrong with it. So this is the recipe. I'm using mozzarella, parmigiano, tomatoes, sauce and fresh tomatoes, oregano, basil leaf, salt, extra virgin of olive oil, and the eggplant. So all these are the ingredients, guys. You can use normal mozzarella. I had this one at home, so this is why I use it. Okay, so go ahead and wash the eggplant and slice them like 1 centimeter thick. Okay, that is what you need to do. So after slicing everything up, I'm going to add them to my bowl, then proceed to the next one. So I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees, and on my oven tray I added oven pepper. Just sprinkle extra virgin of olive oil on top of the oven pepper. Then I'm going to add the eggplant. Just make sure each of the eggplant touches the oil. Okay, so after adding all the eggplants on the oven tray, I'm going to just give the eggplant a mark, just like this, just to cut it a little bit open. Okay, so after doing this, I'm going to sprinkle some extra virgin of olive oil on top of each of the eggplants. So I'm going to add them in the preheated oven and allow them to stay there for 15 minutes. So while the eggplant is in the oven, this is the fresh tomatoes that I'm using, already sliced. Okay, and this is the tomato sauce I'm using for the second batch. So for the tomato sauce, I'm going to season it with oil, salt, some Parmigiano, which is optional. This I just wanted to give it extra taste. Okay, mix everything up together, and I added just a little bit oregano inside as well. So now this is out of the oven, and I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan on each. Like I said, this is two ways to make this, so I'm going to be making each one different. So after adding the Parmesan on top of the eggplant, I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes on each of them. Now I'm going to sprinkle another Parmesan just to make it enough. Okay, be generous, guys, just be generous. After adding that, I'm going to now add fresh basil leaf. But if you don't have fresh basil leaf, try using dry one. But before then, make sure you add another oil. So I'm done with this one, and this is the second batch, guys. So I'm adding the Parmesan first on the eggplant, then followed by the tomato sauce. After the tomato sauce, I'm going to add the fresh mozzarella. Like I said, this is not, you can use the bigger mozzarella. I had this in my fridge, so I didn't want to waste it. This is why I use it for this recipe. Okay, but you go ahead and use normal mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. Okay. So I'm done with everything. Now I'm adding just the last oil on top of it. Just sprinkle oil, not too much. Okay, drizzle oil on top of each of them. Then now I'm going to send them to the oven and allow them to cook for 15 minutes. And here is the final result, guys. This is for the one for the with tart mozzarella, which is good. This is the other one is with mozzarella. My husband actually loved the one with mozzarella, and I love with the one with tomatoes, which is more light. Okay, so I hope you give this video a try. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Let me know what you think on how you prepare your eggplant as well. I would love to hear from you, and also get your own recipe. Okay, thank you all, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.